Okay, so I have a universal laser system here, and my lens, which is right in here, open this up, is correct. You see that crack right there. Now, for this right here, they want $650. So, I'm trying something different. I'm gonna try and do this for about 50 bucks. Let's see if it works. All right, so I went on Amazon and I ordered Uncure. Now, supposedly this stuff is supposed to break loose the glue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some of it right in here and hope it'll kind of break the glue loose on that lens. So I'm gonna dump some of that in there real quick. All right, so if you can see the shine there, but I just basically filled the back of the lens up with some of that Glue Be Gone Uncure stuff. It says to let it sit for a few minutes and then it will soften the glue. So what I'm hoping to do is pop that lens off of there. All right, so it's been a couple minutes, unless, all right, so it's been a couple minutes, and I'm just gonna see if I can, oh, there we go. Boom, lens is off. Now, we need a new lens. All right, day 2 here, my Amazon package showed up, and I got this lens for, it's like $40 or $45. So, put some gloves on, because when you're dealing with these things, apparently you're supposed to be very careful. So, I should probably get some scissors. All right, so I just cut that off. So this thing is quite well wrapped. So I made sure nothing's gonna happen to it. Okay, so again, here's the old lens. You can see I have that big crack in it. So it looks like I got the size right. That looks good. So what we'll be doing here is this has to get basically glued right there. Now, I'm not using anything fancy. I got some basic super glue gel. The reason I went with the gel is because it doesn't run much. Because I want to just get some tiny little drops in the corners, not where the laser is going to really be impacted. I'm just putting some along the outside here. Drop that right in. I'll even use the pad that came with it to gently push it down. All right, I'm just gonna let that sit for a little bit. And then we're gonna try this out and see if we just save $600. All right, so I just installed the lens back in there. I have an old piece of scrap from back in the day when this thing used to work. So I'm gonna make a quick test file. Let's see if I was able to save $600 here. All right, so I have it sent over. Let's hit the test, see what happens. I think we might be good. Boom. So they wanted $650 for this repair. I just did it for 50 bucks. Not bad.